Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins, and welcome back to another World Coin Hunt. This one is designated World Coin Hunt CP16. The CP stands for Coin Patrol. I won a bag of coins from Coin Patrol, and this is the 16th bag that I got from that one bag of coins. The first coin here is a very rusty, I don't know if you can see very much on it. I've actually know what it is. It's a 5 centime from 1981 from the Philippines. It has the head of Melchora Aquino and the date on this side that you're currently viewing, although you probably can't see it. His head is there, the date is there, and then around the outside is the Philippines. On the reverse, it talks about the Bank of the Philippines. It's the redesigned logo of the central bank. There's no mintage for this scalloped edge coin. That's the first coin of the hunt. Believe me, it gets better. And here's one of the proofs. This is an Indonesian coin. It's a 500 rupiah from 2016. It has on it Mr. Sintamin Panino, and it also has the national eagle symbol of Indonesia. It has across the top there this Indonesia. There's no mintage for this coin. It is an aluminium coin, so it's a very light coin. On the back you have the Bank of Indonesia, 500 rupiah, and the date of the coin, which is 2016. There are no mintage information for that coin. Next coin, we're going back in time a little bit to 1922, and this is it's a 25-cent coin from Belgium. It's from 1922. It has Dutch text and a crown above a sprig. It has a sprig of leaves on a we think it may well be an olive branch, and you have the value of 25 sen underneath. It is actually hold in the centre. It's from the reign of Albert I of Belgium. Then on the back and on this side we have the letter A formed by a sprig of some description. You have the crown above it, so it's A for Albert I with the crown above. Republic of Belgique, and also there you have the date at the bottom. There is no mintage available for this coin from 1922. The next coin for us is something that we see an awful lot. It's from 1995. It is 20 centimes from France. It has Marianne on the front, and on the back it has the 20 centimes, excuse me, with the value and the date. The year is 1995, and the mint is 109,979,011. Next coin, we're going to Turkey, and this is a man called Ataturk, who is a famous Turkish general, and I believe he was also Prime Minister at one point. It has his portrait on there. It's a 50 kuros coin from 2009. On the back we have the suspension bridge that's over the river at Istanbul. The mintage for this coin, the river of course is the Bosphorus, and the mintage for this coin is 162,840,100. The next one has a single crown on one side. Now this single crown is a Norwegian crown. It's from the year 2002. It is a 50 ore coin from Norway. You have the crown on this side, and then on this side you have a mythical creature drawn at the bottom here. We think it is, from what I've discovered in when I did some research, it's Nedhogg the dragon, and that's Nedhogg, the dragon. The mintage on this coin is 23,958,000. That's a coin from 2002. We journey back down to Turkey for a single colour coin, and it has a cartouche in the centre, and the cartouche holds the portrait of Ataturk. It's from 2018, and on the rear of the coin it's just the value of 10 kuros and the date, and the background has a concentric design, for want of a better word. Here we have a 1 baht coin from Thailand. It's from 1998 and it's Rama the 9th. On the back we have the monastery religious buildings of the Bhat Phari Kua temple in Bangkok. And Bhat is B-H-A-T, and then Phiri is P-H-R-E-E, then Kua is K-A-E-W, temple in the city of Bangkok. The mintage for this 1 baht coin is 25,252,000. Ending the first column of coins that I had, of 3, is an Australian coin. It's a 2-cent coin from 1980. It has Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, and then on the reverse we have the frilled lizard. The coin's from 1980. It's a 2-cent coin. The mintage is 40 million units. The first of the second let's way down a bit. The next one is from Spain. It's from 1980. It is Juan Carlos I, and it is a 1980 coin. However, it has on the back the football logo for the World Cup of España 1982, although the coin was issued in 1980. Sorry, the coin on the front is, says 1980. There is a star here that says 82. So it is reissued actually in the year that the World Cup took place in 1982, and it's 5 pesetas, and the mintage is 291 million. That's a fair old mintage. Next across we go to India. We have a multi-edge coin, very similar to our 50p. It's a 2 rupiah. It's from 1997. It has the Ashoka lions on their pedestal with a 2 underneath. I believe it also has rupees, and also the fact that it's India on this right hand side of the coin as you're looking. Then on the left side is Indian acrylic, graphics writing, and here on the obverse, on the reverse, is a map of India, and it's supposed to represent national integration. The coin is from 1997. It is a commemorative coin from that year. I don't have any mintage for that coin though. The next coin is from Poland. It's a 5 groszy. You've got the Polish eagle and the name of Poland. You also have the date, which is not very clear but is on the bottom of the coin, of 2019. On the reverse you have the value of 5, then groszy, and then you have the 5 oak leaves that are there. The mintage for this coin is 116,100,000. Next we have a 10-cent coin. This side shows the value of 10 cents with a leaf scroll around the outside and not an awful lot more. So you've got the 10, then the cents underneath. Then on this side you have a Maltese ship, 2-mast ship, possibly a fishing vessel of some description. You have the name of the country and the date, the name of the country going across the top, and then around the bottom you've got the year of the date, which is 1972. The mintage for this coin is 10,680,000. Next we have quite a damaged coin. It's been damaged all the way across the face. The face is of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's a 20p from 2001, but it's not a UK 20p, it is one from Gibraltar. And on the reverse there you have Our Lady of Europa, a 2001 coin with a 4th portrait on it. There is no mintage figures for this particular coin. And that ends the second column. For the third and final column we have, kicking off, probably the smallest coin in the hunt. It's a 1 centime. It's from 1965. It's French. You have the value on the front there of 1 centime, and then on the back you have an ear of wheat going up the centre of the coin. The mintage for this coin is 40,893,000. So it's quite a high mintage coin. Right, next one is a 5-cent coin from Malaysia from 2013. On this side you see geometric patterns. On the reverse side you see the 5 sen, the hibiscus flower or orchid, and a date, and the date of 2013. There are no mintage figures available for this coin. The next coin is a 1 yen from 1997 from Japan. On this side you have the value and also the date. On the other side you have a bamboo cane with leaves coming off it, a bamboo shoot in other words. The mintage for this is absolutely massive. It's 782,874,006. No, it's not. I'll read again the mintage. My pen had a swirl at the end. It's 782,874,000. We then have one of 2 French coins. Can I get them both on at the same time? Yes, I can. One is a 20 centime, which is that one, which is the bigger one, and the other one is a 10 centime, which is that one. Both of them have the laurels, and one has the 20 centime is from 1997, and it has the wheat sprigs and everything else. from 1995, from 1997, and it has a mintage of 463,231,513. 10 centimes, which is this one, is from 1995. Its mintage, with the same design on as the 20 centime, its mintage is 169,918,900. Start again, Steve. The mintage for this coin is 169,980,011. Yay! Got there at last. And last but by no means least, an Italian coin from 1978. It is a 50 lira. The 100 lira has a man with his portrait going looking out to the left. The 50 lira one is a woman's portrait looking to the right. This is the 50 lira. The 50 lira coin, of course, is the blacksmith at his forge hammering some metal out. Of course, the blacksmith is Vulcan. The mintage for this coin is 416,808,000. Well, that's the last coin of this particular coin hunt. Let me just get everything back in order. There they are in their bag. I hope you've enjoyed this hunt, and thank you for staying to the end. If you have enjoyed this, I would be thankful if you could give me the thumbs up, as this helps me no end in my journey towards building the channel. So if you give me the thumbs up, that's brilliant. If you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so, because that, of course, again, will help me. My aim for this year is to grow the channel. I've had some minimal success so far, and I hope it will continue in the first month of the year. If you are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, wherever you're getting them from, I hope you can find the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I will leave you by saying I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully I will give you something that you will enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Bye bye now. Ta-ra.